Sea slug. These incredible ocean creatures can regenerate their entire bodies if cut in half. Some sea slugs can steal the stinging cells from jellyfish they eat and use them as their own weapons. Certain species of sea slugs can even perform photosynthesis like plants, harvesting energy from sunlight after eating algae. These fascinating animals are masters of transformation and survival in the deep blue world. Did you know that some sea slugs can swim by flapping their bodies like underwater butterflies? Others can release glowing clouds of blue or purple when threatened. There are over 3,000 different kinds of sea slugs living in oceans around the world, and they come in every color imaginable for kids to discover. Some sea slugs are solar-powered, storing the chloroplasts from algae they eat inside their bodies to make food from sunlight. The most colorful sea slugs, called nudibranchs, wear their gills on their backs like fancy crowns. These gills help them breathe underwater and look like beautiful flowers growing from their bodies. Sea slugs might look soft and defenseless, but many contain powerful toxins that make them taste terrible to predators. Some are so toxic that just touching them could make a human sick. Learning about these defense mechanisms is fascinating for kids who love animals. Scientists are studying sea slugs to develop new medicines because their bodies contain unique chemicals. The Spanish dancer sea slug, named for its swimming style that looks like a flowing dress, can grow over 16 inches long. Sea slugs don't have protective shells like their snail cousins. Instead, they evolved amazing colors and shapes that help them hide among coral reefs and seagrass meadows, making them masters of disguise in the trending world of ocean life. Sea slugs live in oceans worldwide, from shallow tide pools to the deep sea. Their habitats range from warm tropical waters with vibrant coral reefs to cold polar regions. These adaptable creatures thrive in educational underwater forests of kelp, hiding among swaying seaweeds and crawling across sandy ocean floors. The beautiful homes of sea slugs are truly amazing places full of color and life for kids to learn about. Sea slugs communicate through chemicals rather than sounds. They leave scent trails that other sea slugs can follow to find food or mates. Their intelligence might seem simple compared to animals with bigger brains, but they can learn from experience and remember things that hurt them for weeks. This makes them smarter than they look in funny viral videos of sea creatures. When it comes to reproduction, sea slugs have one of the most unique stories in the animal world. Most sea slugs are hermaphrodites, meaning each animal has both male and female reproductive organs. When two sea slugs mate, they exchange sperm packets and both can lay eggs afterward. Their eggs look like colorful spirals or ribbons attached to rocks or plants underwater, creating beautiful patterns that make learning about animal life cycles fun for kids. Sea slugs play important roles in ocean ecosystems. They help control populations of sponges, anemones, and algae they feed on. Some species clean reefs by eating harmful organisms. Scientists are making exciting discoveries about these animals every year, finding new species with wild abilities that seem like superpowers from stories or fantasy play. The cultural significance of sea slugs varies around the world. In some Pacific islands, certain species are considered delicacies. In Japan, sea slugs appear in traditional art. Throughout history, sailors told tales of mysterious, colorful creatures that seemed to dance through the water, creating YouTube-worthy legends about these fascinating animals. Unfortunately, sea slugs face threats from ocean pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change. Warming oceans and acidification affect the coral reefs many sea slugs depend on. By learning about these amazing creatures, kids can understand why protecting our oceans is so important for all the fun animals that live there. Remember, young explorers, sea slugs might look small, but they're packed with amazing abilities that scientists are still discovering. For more educational adventures in the wild animals kingdom, subscribe to our channel Fun Animals for Kids and join us next time as we explore another amazing creature in our wonderful world.